If you're 10, the average height is around 4 feet 6, which already feels pretty small for some. At 11, most boys are about 4 feet 8, and growth slowly starts picking up. By 12, you're usually close to 4 feet 11, almost reaching 5 feet. If you're 13, around 5 feet 1 is considered the average range. At 14, things change fast. About 5 feet 5 is common during growth spurts. By 15, many boys reach around 5 feet 7, and it starts feeling much taller. At 16, the average is roughly 5 feet 8, very close to adult height. If you're 17, around 5 feet 9 is where most people land. At 18, it usually stays at about 5 feet 9, fully developed for most. By 19, it barely changes, still around 5 feet 9 for many. At 20, some reach 5 feet 10, depending on late growth. And then it's just you?